Perfect lighting can transform any photo or video, and a video light softbox makes that possible with soft, even illumination. Designed to reduce harsh shadows and enhance natural tones, it's an essential tool for creators, photographers, and streamers alike. Here are the best 5 video light softboxes that combine professional quality lighting with portability and ease of use. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Neewer NS7L Video Light Softbox. Compact, powerful, and beautifully designed, this lantern-style softbox redefines what portable lighting can do for creators. Its broad 360-degree light diffusion ensures that every angle of your subject is bathed in soft, natural illumination, free from harsh shadows. Whether used for photography, vlogging, interviews, or live streaming, the light it produces feels organic and evenly balanced, enhancing every detail while maintaining authentic color tones. The integrated diffuser allows the light to retain its natural temperature and accuracy, making it a perfect match for professional visual work, where true-to-life color is essential. What truly makes this lighting tool shine is its quick one-step folding mechanism. Unlike traditional softboxes that take time to assemble, this model opens and closes effortlessly in seconds. That instant setup capability saves valuable shooting time, especially for creators who often move between locations. Once folded, it becomes incredibly compact and slips easily into its storage bag, ready to travel anywhere. Lightweight yet sturdy, it weighs only 7.8 ounces, ensuring easy handling without sacrificing stability or performance. Its build quality reflects precision engineering. Made from durable nylon alloy, the structure combines strength with flexibility, while 8 resilient ribs maintain a perfectly round lantern shape even after countless folds and unfolds. This design ensures that the light disperses evenly across the scene, maintaining the soft, shadow-free quality it's known for. The rust-proof chuck adds to its longevity, making it reliable for both studio and outdoor shoots. The high-quality nylon cloth helps diffuse light smoothly while keeping reflections controlled, achieving that professional cinematic glow creators crave. Beyond its physical qualities, this compact softbox transforms how lighting feels in production. It enhances the atmosphere of every scene, wrapping subjects in a balanced luminance that feels natural to the eye and flattering to the camera. For content creators who value mobility, precision, and ease of use, it's an indispensable tool that bridges the gap between studio performance and on-the-go convenience. The result is lighting that's softer, smarter, and effortlessly adaptable to any shooting environment. Pros: portability, quick setup, even light, durable design. Cons: limited compatibility, small coverage. Number 4. Ambitful QS65 Video Light Softbox. Soft, balanced, and professional-grade lighting becomes effortless with this octagonal softbox designed to elevate any creative setup. Crafted for photographers, videographers, and content creators who demand quality and control, it delivers stunningly even illumination that flatters subjects and enhances every frame. Its octagon shape produces a natural circular catchlight in the eyes, something that instantly adds a cinematic touch to portraits and interviews. The broad 65cm design or larger 90cm option provides expansive light coverage that wraps around subjects beautifully, reducing harsh shadows and creating a soft, glowing look ideal for both indoor and outdoor shoots. The convenience of its quick-release system sets it apart from ordinary softboxes. With just a simple twist, it opens or folds down instantly, saving time during setup and teardown, perfect for on-the-go professionals who need speed and efficiency on set. The Bowens mount ensures compatibility with a wide range of studio flashes and LED video lights, allowing seamless integration into existing setups. Whether used in a home studio, on location, or outdoors, this feature provides remarkable flexibility for creative expression without the frustration of complicated assembly. Built to last, it combines a durable metal frame with high-quality diffusion fabric that withstands extended use while maintaining perfect light balance. The included honeycomb grid adds even more control by focusing the light beam where it's needed, helping shape shadows and direct light intensity with precision. This makes it an ideal choice for portrait, fashion, and product photography, as well as cinematic video production. Despite its size, the lightweight frame ensures easy handling and portability, so creators can move it effortlessly between scenes. The design is not only functional, but visually striking. Its elegant octagonal structure diffuses light evenly in every direction, while maintaining a controlled spread that enhances textures and tones. The result is soft yet powerful lighting that transforms ordinary visuals into polished professional imagery. For creators seeking smooth diffusion, quick operation, and reliable performance, this softbox delivers an exceptional blend of practicality and artistry, making it a trusted companion for any lighting challenge. Pros: wide coverage, quick setup, precise lighting, durable build. Cons: bulky size, requires mount. Number 3. Triopo KX65 Video Light Softbox. Soft, natural, and studio-quality lighting becomes easy to achieve with this portable octagonal softbox built for creators who need flexibility on the go. Its 65cm design delivers the perfect balance between size and diffusion, producing beautifully even light that eliminates harsh shadows and highlights every subject with smooth, flattering tones. Whether used for portraits, fashion shoots, product photography, or creative video work, it provides consistent results that give every shot a professional finish. The octagonal shape also produces a natural circular catchlight in the eyes, adding a polished and cinematic touch to your visuals. What makes this softbox stand out is its intelligent construction. Built with 8 sturdy poles and a durable reflective silver inner surface, it minimizes light loss while enhancing brightness and consistency. The white diffusion fabric softens the light evenly, creating a balanced glow that feels both powerful and natural. The superior nylon material offers impressive crease resistance and retains its form even after frequent use, ensuring long-term reliability for photographers who constantly set up and move between shoots. Despite its durability, the softbox remains lightweight and highly portable, easily fitting into the included carry bag for convenient transport. Versatility is another key feature. It can be handheld or mounted on a light stand, offering flexibility for any shooting environment. The adjustable handle angle allows creators to control lighting direction effortlessly, while the width-adjustable mount accommodates various on-camera flashes, including popular models from Godox, Yongnuo, and Triopo. This adaptability makes it a great companion for outdoor photography or fast-paced sessions where quick repositioning is essential. The honeycomb grid adds another layer of creative control, letting you focus the beam more precisely for dramatic effects or controlled highlights. Every detail is thoughtfully designed to meet professional standards while keeping usability simple. The combination of premium materials, portable design, and effective diffusion makes it ideal for anyone seeking a smooth workflow and outstanding results. Whether you're capturing portraits in soft daylight or shooting dynamic scenes in controlled studio light, this softbox consistently delivers high-quality illumination with style and ease. Pros: soft light, versatile use, portable design, durable fabric. Cons: manual setup, slightly heavy. Number 2. Ulanzi DS60 Video Light Softbox. Designed for creators who value speed, quality, and precision, this octagonal softbox turns complex lighting setups into a quick and effortless process. Built for both studio and outdoor use, it delivers soft, evenly diffused light that wraps around subjects naturally, eliminating harsh shadows and maintaining a professional, cinematic glow. With a 60cm diameter, it strikes the perfect balance between compact portability and generous light spread, ideal for photography, videography, and live content creation. Its ability to produce smooth, balanced illumination makes it a favorite for anyone seeking high-quality results with minimal setup time. What sets this softbox apart is its incredibly quick assembly system. With just a single press, it expands or collapses instantly, letting you go from packed to ready in seconds. This one-step mechanism saves valuable time, especially during fast-paced shoots or when working outdoors where speed matters. The sturdy frame and thoughtful locking design ensure the structure remains stable and taut while in use, providing consistent light diffusion across every shot. When it's time to wrap up, disassembly is just as simple. Press, release, and the structure folds neatly without struggle, making it effortless to transport and store. The versatility continues with its dual compatibility system. It works seamlessly with both standard Bowens mount and mini Bowens mount lighting equipment, making it adaptable for a wide range of lights, including popular COB fixtures. The Bowens system locks securely in place, ensuring a firm connection even during movement or frequent repositioning. Combined with the high-density diffuser and optional fabric grid, it offers impressive control over light direction and softness, allowing users to shape the atmosphere exactly as they envision. Crafted from premium materials, the outer shell feels solid yet lightweight, while the reflective inner lining enhances brightness without sacrificing smoothness. It's an excellent companion for content creators who travel frequently or shoot in different environments, as it's easy to carry and quick to set up anywhere. Whether capturing portraits, interviews, or creative product shots, this softbox ensures professional-grade lighting that's reliable, soft, and beautifully balanced. Pros: fast setup, versatile mount, soft illumination, portable design. Cons: manual locking. Number 1. Godox QR-P70 Video Light Softbox. Powerful, elegant, and designed for precision, this deep parabolic softbox transforms how light interacts with every subject. Its 70cm size strikes the perfect middle ground between portability and performance, offering professional-grade illumination that enhances contrast while maintaining smooth, soft edges. The deep parabolic shape focuses light more effectively than standard softboxes, delivering a beautiful balance between brightness and softness that feels both natural and cinematic. It acts almost like an oversized reflector, directing light exactly where you need it while preserving a flattering dimensional look, ideal for portraits, product photography, fashion shoots, or dynamic video scenes. Every element of its design reflects a commitment to reliability and quality. The reflective silver interior boosts brightness and clarity, ensuring crisp, high-contrast results without losing the smooth fall-off that gives images depth. This combination of punchy highlights and gentle shadows produces lighting that feels alive and dynamic, perfect for professionals who want full creative control. Despite its power, the overall structure is lightweight and easy to handle, allowing effortless setup even during long production days or on-location shoots. The quick, deep release mechanism makes assembly almost instantaneous. With just a few steps, the softbox opens securely into its parabolic shape, ready to deliver consistent, even light output. When the shoot is over, it folds down smoothly for convenient storage and transport. The Bowens mount system ensures wide compatibility with a range of flashes and continuous video lights, making it versatile for different workflows. Whether you're working with Godox, Aperture, or other Bowens-compatible systems, the fit feels solid and reliable, holding the light fixture firmly in place. Built from durable, high-quality materials, this softbox withstands repeated use without losing its form or performance. The precision engineering behind its ribs and frame ensures that it maintains its perfect curvature, vital for producing that distinct parabolic light quality. It's equally suitable for studio environments and outdoor productions, adapting easily to changing conditions while maintaining consistent results. In every aspect, it's a tool that merges professional craftsmanship with effortless functionality, giving creators a trusted source of soft yet powerful illumination wherever they work. Pros: focused light, quick setup, high compatibility, durable build. Cons: bulky storage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.